elevator for tracks 3 and 4 at the Toijala railway station in Toijala, Akaa, Finland. Let's ride it. Built in 2000, turning 20 years old in the next year, 2020, when it's gonna be. Actually, this says it was inspected, it should have been inspected 2012, but there is no other inspection mark. Here, 2020 next time, it's turning 20 years old. A70346, 13 persons, 1000 kilograms. Going between the tunnel level and the platform level. And the floor indicator doesn't work. Rope hydraulic. We're also gonna try to film some elevators in some residential buildings in Toijala while we are waiting for the train to Helsinki. You can see the commuter train going to Tampere. Commuter train R.